Hey, what are you doing?
Servicing engine oil.
Where's your tech data?
I don't know. Maybe it's inside the jet.
Where's your PPE?
I don't have it.
Why the fuck are you standing on the oil cases instead of using a ladder? Are you that fucking stupid?
Are you QA?
No, I'm the fucking Easter Bunny. Yes, you're retired. I am QA. Why don't you have tech data with you? And why aren't you wearing PPE?
I didn't know you were out here, otherwise I would have had my tech data with me, and my PPE on. Are you going to fail me?
No, you fucking cockmast. You committed a DSV and a TDV, you fucking moron. What the fuck were you thinking doing that?
I was just trying to service oil, so we could get inside for lunch. Suwu, if it's not a fail then I'm not in trouble, right?
Are you that fucking stupid? I just told you that you committed a DSV and a TDV at the same time. Do you know what happens now?
I get the book, and put on my PPE, then I make you feel bad, so that you let me go with a warning before the expediter comes over here, and shoves his foot up my ass.
Oh really? Well, how about fuck no? You better pray that your expediter makes it over here before I mushroom stamp your forehead, shove my clipboard down your throat, and then stick my boot up your ass.
You asshole. You stupid QA bitches think you're so cool with your shiny trucks and stupid rags. I hate you. Why don't you just go back to your air-conditioned office and play with your remote control helicopters while I stay out here and do the real work? Oh, by the way, the Cardinal's car needs to be washed, so have fun, cocksucker.
I will go back to my air-conditioned office and play with my remote control helicopters and possibly have an Earth gun war with the rest of the guys. Then, I will have to sift through mountains of fucking regulations to use as references against you when I write up this epic fail. That will be fun. I will enjoy fucking you. But more importantly, I will make my paperwork make sure that you look like the biggest cum-guzzling douchebag ever. When the Colonel gets back to work after riding in his nice shiny car, I'll be sure to show him what you did. You will have to go see him with your commander, chief and supervisor. After he gets done tearing them a new shell, he is going to call you in his office and skull fuck you, literally. You better start working on your gag reflex now, and I would suggest buying some maxi pads because you will need some way to soak up the blood from your ass after he tears it apart.
Well, pencil dick, I bet that makes you feel more like a man and less like the little tattletale bitch that you are. Fuck you and your regulations. The 21-101 can suck my dick. Peace out, pussy lips.
Hiya. You better run, you stupid crew chief.